Jasmine.
Jasmine.
Oh, okay. Okay, let me try this. Maybe for the jasmine is only found in Westlands because we are in Westlands. Okay.
It's coconut. It's totally different. Like for me, I was waiting to have our own taste, and I'm like, what's happening? What are you eating? You don't know.
I don't know, guys. Because I'm used to making rice and beans at home. But it's not the same.
It's not the same.
It's very delicious. The taste, and actually it's not like you're eating rice. It's like you're eating something else that's delicious. Only that I can see the rice. So my experience in this restaurant is just nothing but amazing. The food is very delicious and unique. Thank you for inviting me to have this experience. So let me